Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to merge indicators in TradingView. If you're eager to enhance your charting experience, mastering the art of merging indicators is something you should definitely know about. It's a handy tool that streamlines your analysis and offers more cohesive insights. So, let's dive right in and explore the process together. Getting started with TradingView. First things first, open TradingView and pull up the chart where you want to apply this merging technique. Once your chart is ready, you'll need to think about which indicators you want to work with. The key is to decide which one will act as your base indicator. This is the foundation where another indicator's data will be integrated. Make sure it's the one you want at the core of your analysis. Merging indicators step by step. 1. Select your base indicator. Look at the indicator you've chosen to be your base. Next to it, you'll find a More button. This can sometimes be hidden if your screen is too zoomed out, so be sure to adjust your view if needed. 2. Add another indicator. Click on the More button, and a menu will appear with several options. Here you'll select Add Indicator Strategy On. This command lets you choose another indicator to overlay on your base one. Once selected, TradingView will integrate the two indicators, providing combined insights on your chart. 3. Alternative method. If you prefer, you can also right-click directly on the indicator plot on your chart. This brings up a menu with various options. Just like before, select Add Indicator Strategy On, choose your second indicator, and TradingView will overlay it on the base one for a seamless integration. Important considerations. Keep in mind that only one indicator can serve as your input source using this method. While merging two indicators is straightforward, stacking more can get complex and might require different approaches. Also, not every indicator can be used as an input for another. If you find the option unavailable, it might be because the indicator doesn't support this feature. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to merge indicators in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.